Come on. There's our girl.
Goats are sort of like dogs. I mean, they love you unconditionally.
Can you feel the love?
When I walk in at 5 o'clock in the morning, I say, "Good morning, girls." They all make a noise to reply.
Jim and Linda Johansson raise dairy goats at their Milan farm.
I love to have livestock around.
Several breeds, 120 does, $3, who produce lots of milk.
We're automated with a pipeline system, and it goes straight from the pipes into a bulk tank.
More than 200,000 pounds of milk a year. The Johanssons sell the milk to a Wisconsin company which processes it into goat cheese, sold worldwide. The babies love to be bottle fed and will milk this for all they can get.
The babies drink about 24 to 30 ounces of milk every day until they're 5 weeks old, and then they will eat grain and hay.
Jim plays the name game, no strangers here.
This is Spirit. This is Heritage. This is Harmony. This is Brownie. That's Sharon.
Goats camera shy? No way. Jim and Linda making a goat of it.
At a time when other people are retiring at my age, I've started a new venture that we'll try to do for another 20 years.
So one of the nicest sayings that you could ever hear is that they've really got your goat. Huh?
True, very true.